like right before we opened. Is that right? And it was amazing. It was so cool to like hear it in her voice and to watch her interpret it. It was really cool.
Wow. Okay. What was your process on creating those tracks? Hey, Joshua. The tracks were created for the concert. The tracks were created in a couple different ways. We sometimes found like in the situation of like Sutton doing There Won't Be Trumpets, we found a recording of that, which we based things off of. And then other things like Send in the Clowns, I had many rehearsals, which actually ended up, this makes me laugh, but we ended up like, because nothing was really working, we ended up with Donna Murphy on the phone singing to me and me playing half a beat ahead because of the latency of the phone. So that was exciting and interesting, but you know, so like important with the timing of the acting beats, because it's all about the timing of the acting beats. So yeah, we ended up figuring that out. It was exciting. Okay, here's one. As a starting director, I'm curious to know what you as an actor find most helpful, or which directors did more. Yeah, I'll let you answer.
I mean, every director is different, and that's kind of one of the special things about our industry, is that, you know, it's not like you're just stuck working with one boss and you know, the same 20 coworkers for your whole life. But I think I love a director who comes in with a lot of questions and a lot of freedom. I mean, a lot of like knowledge and passion for the piece, but who really is like, what are you going to bring to it? And then let's shape that, as opposed to, you know, some directors have much more of a like, no, this is how it goes and this is what I'm picturing. And they just, you know, it's, which I don't love as much. Some actors love that. But for me, I like to have, oh, hey, Catherine. I like to have a lot of, I don't know, I like to have a lot of freedom. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. If you had to permanently live as one of the characters you've played, who would it be?
Oh,
that's a question. I like that one.
Someone asked me if I had to be quarantined with, which is a different, and I think I'm going to give the same answer, that I would choose Kira from Xanadu because she has magical powers.
Oh, yes. I remember when you did Xanadu.
Yeah, I did the tour. You know, yes, roller skates and glitter. That's fun. That's a fun existence.
Okay, when you hear Alanis's versions of songs like Uninvited, which had lyrics changed for the show, does hearing the original lyrics throw you?
I mean, yeah, I try not to listen to them. But I try not to listen to any of the songs from the show, just because, yeah, it's like it exists differently, and I kind of need to like keep it clear in my mind for what the work that we have to do. So yeah, it's a little tricky in that way.
Understood. And now I see Catherine, and I adore Catherine also. Hi, Catherine. She's real talented.
Agreed.
Agreed. Okay, great. What are you doing during this quarantine time for self-care?
I'm gonna confess that I haven't been amazing with it every single day. So I've been trying to like exercise self-forgiveness and gratitude, not gratitude, grace. That there have been some days when I've just been kind of sad and lazy. And that's okay. But mostly I feel like lately I've been, you know, more energetic and on the up and up. And so I've been trying to like do at least 10 minutes of yoga in the morning and do a 10-minute meditation and like not have cocktails every single night, you know, just like stuff that is a little closer to like my regular scheduled programming. And that's been helpful for me.
Yeah, I'm finding meditation is becoming more and more important. And I keep reminding myself that we're all in trauma.
Yeah.
And that it's okay to not be at our normal productive levels.
Yeah.
That's the thing that I have to continually remind myself. because I tend to be a little bit, this is going to shock you because but I sometimes am self-judgmental.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's why we're friends.
Okay. If you could only sing one song for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh God.
Yes.
That's a very hard question because
That is very
if
hard.
I choose a song I love, then I'll end up hating it because it's the only song I can sing. Man, I don't know.
Choosing one song would be really hard.
I mean,
how about choose 3 that you love? Just that pop to mind. I won't hold you to them. This is just the ones that you love at 3:34 on Wednesday.
Okay. I'll say Smiling because it's really in my like place right now. And maybe like the ending song from Bridges in Madison County. It's like so fun to sing. Love is always.
I love that entire score.
Me too. And then I feel like I would also want to sing something that's like wacky and like hits a high C, just because like that would keep me in shape.
Because you can.
Yeah, well, I mean, I got to keep up with it, but
you have like a very diverse. You've got a very diverse vocal range.
In theory, yes. Oh, hi, Quincy, Illinois.
In real life.
Hey.
I mean, I've experienced it.
Well, thanks.
Okay, what yoga meditation music do you recommend? Do you have anything?
Yes, I for years have been doing, there's a YouTube channel. She has her own website also, but it's called Yoga with Cassandra. And I just like her vibe. And she has like a bajillion videos and that you can choose like by length or by difficulty. So it's just kind of like, I like that because it's like, how am I feeling today? Okay, I just need like a 20-minute stretch class. Okay. Or like, I really want to like get my butt kicked. Okay. And then there's it's a Spotify, well, it's probably on all platforms. It's an album. John Hopkins is the artist, and the album title is Late Night Tales.
Okay.
And it kind of like runs the gamut. It's like a little bit electronica, teensy bit, but I like it because it's just like mood music. And I like to like put that on and then put the video on.
And then make a fort.
And then make a fort and do a downward dog in it.
And then
welcome to my life.